How do I modify the URL without reloading the page? Is there a way I can modify the URL of the current page without reloading the page? I would like to access the portion before the hash if possible. I only need to change the portion after the domain, so it's not like I'm violating cross-domain policies. This can now be done in Chrome, Safari, Firefox 4+, and Internet Explorer 10pp 4+. Example. You can then use window on pop state to detect the back-forward button navigation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.